In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Genspark to dark mode. Before we begin, here's the key thing to know. Genspark doesn't currently offer a built-in dark mode. There's no theme or appearance toggle in its settings, and there's nothing documented in the public help pages. Many users have noticed the same thing, and that aligns with what you'll see in the interface today. So if you've been hunting for a native switch, you're not missing anything. It simply isn't there right now. That said, you do have practical workarounds that can give you a dark, comfortable reading experience. The simplest route is to use a browser extension that forces websites into dark mode. Tools like Dark Reader or similar extensions can automatically recolor pages, shifting backgrounds to darker shades and text to lighter ones. After you install an extension like this, you can usually toggle it on just for Genspark, so the rest of your web browsing stays unchanged. Most of these tools let you fine-tune brightness, contrast, and grayscale. If a page looks a bit off, dial the settings back, or turn it off for that page with a quick switch. Because these extensions are working from the outside, expect occasional quirks. Icons might invert oddly, or highlight colors may look different. The good news is you can adjust per site and per page, and changes take effect immediately. If you're comfortable with a little DIY, another option is a user-made script that applies custom CSS to Genspark. Community scripts shared on developer forums or code hosting sites can force a dark background, light text, and refined link colors. This approach can look very clean when a script is well-tuned, but use it with caution. Since these scripts modify the page style directly, site updates may break parts of the layout, and scripts from unknown sources can carry privacy or stability risks. Read the description, check recent updates, and test with a quick enable-disable to make sure everything behaves as expected. If something looks wrong, turn it off and revert instantly. To wrap up, while there's no official dark mode in Genspark yet, you can achieve a dark experience today with a browser extension or a carefully chosen user script. Both options are reversible, adjustable, and quick to try. Keep an eye on Genspark's updates in case a native theme toggle appears, but until then, these workarounds will help you read and work more comfortably in low light.